Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome back to a new video on OPENCAMPUS, or the EDU token. Felt like it was time to cover it again because, usually I cover these Binance Launchpad projects like daily for the first week, but OPENCAMPUS, I gotta be honest, it's been one of the most boring Binance Launchpad launches in a while. And it hasn't, if you take a look at the price right now, you can see that, sure, we opened relatively bullish and we had somewhat of an uptrend all the way up until Sunday evening. And then after the bearish momentum that we got, to be fair, throughout the entire market, it wasn't something specific to EDU. But after that, we haven't moved that much. And you can also see that the volume has basically been dropping since the 29th. The 30th was Sunday, I believe. Yes. So since Saturday, we've been dropping. Perhaps a bad time to launch the EDU token, but all right, it probably will not matter that much on the long term. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video on what to expect, because usually these Binance Launchpad projects do rally at some point of time. And we talked about that in the last video as well. So I wanted to talk about that. And just in general, regarding the technicals, what to expect. Because right now we've been holding this level around 1.2 for quite a while, so that's great. But you can also see that we, for the first time ever, had a bearish breakout. If you like take 1.2 specifically, what you'll see is that this is the level. And even though we spiked down below that countless times, we never broke down below that. And now we have closed down below that. So we'll talk about the consequences of that as well. But in general, I'll just try to prepare you as well as possible for everything that's about to come. So before we get into EDU specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto EDU. So like I said, let's start with the technicals. Right now, looking at the technicals, we're just bearish, all right? There's nothing else we can make out of it. We are also technically still trending, so that would be a downtrend. And we just had a bearish breakout, so it's not looking too great. Now, something that is helping a bit, I think, is that Bitcoin right now is looking fairly strong. All right, that always works in your positive, and I expect Bitcoin to remain strong. So even though we had a bearish breakout today, that doesn't necessarily mean that we'll drop down to our next support level, which would be between 1.1 and 1.05. I think today we actually have a chance to break above 1.2 instantly again. And then even though we had a bearish breakout, it doesn't matter. So that's actually what I expect. I expect us to break above 1.2 again and continue this consolidation. And for now, I think our rally will be from 1.2. So at some point, I'm not sure when yet, but at some point we will be able to rally up to 1.3. break above that and start some sort of a rally, probably up to 1.5 or perhaps even further. Now, I have to say that does depend a little bit on market circumstances. But for now, this is what I expect. All right, I will keep you updated on it. So if you want to be updated, make sure to subscribe. But for now, I think, and that's, as I said, most Binance Launchpad projects consolidated for a while at a certain level, and then from there they started going up. I think that level for EDU is 1.2. I think right now the market circumstances actually support movement like that. But we'll have to see. Tonight, for example, we'll have the interest rate decision. If that's very bearish for Bitcoin and Bitcoin starts falling down to 27,200, then do not expect EDU to hold 1.2. Then EDU will drop down to 1.05 and 1.1. But like I said, that's not what I expect. It's I will keep you updated on that as well if something like that happens, or at least I will do an update on those circumstances. But for now, this seems like the most likely scenario. As I said, I do not necessarily think we're going to rally quickly, but I do expect it in the next 1 to 2 weeks. So until then, this is my take on EDU. So thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.